Hello, Aurora.
Hello.
Forgot again.
Iya.
Okay, okay. How are you today, Aurora?
Good.
Good, yeah. Okay, Alhamdulillah. Okay, can we start now, Aurora? Because the time, yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-mm. Wait. I will start to share my screen. Okay, can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay. Now, so our lesson today, we are going to discuss about the basic of working with files. Yeah. So we will work with files. Yeah. I mean like mm, something similar like Notepad. Do you know Notepad? Notepad.
Not what? Okay.
Notepad.
What's a notepad?
Okay. If you don't know, you can search your start menu and then just type Notepad like
Oh,
this.
okay.
Notepad.
Okay.
Uh, do you ever use this application? Not yet.
No.
No, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I will. You will know after this, maybe. Yeah. Nah. Okay. Okay. Developers new request. The Theoretical Research Institute has turned to us with a request for a smart notes application. So, sorry, I have a bad. Okay, just go back to the lesson. Nah, uh, smart notes application. So it's our project, next project. I mean, the scientists should be able to create and delete notes, edit notes, add text, yeah, to notes, and then the last one, search the notes using tag. Yeah. Nah, before starting work on the request, we need to answer the following questions. How do we organize the storage of these nodes? And how do we program the appearance of the program? Now, let's recall how we work with data in memory card. The first one, the user runs the program. The user enters question and answer. Nah, and then the user practice on the enter data, and the last one, the user close the program. But the enter data was not safe. Yeah, right? The enter data before, yeah, memory card was not safe. Nah, okay. Nah, this diagram show us about the scientists work with the smart notes apps. Yeah. Okay, the basic create notes. Yeah. They open the notes application and add the idea to it. After work, the pieces goes off to sleep. Yeah. During the time, they close the notes application. Nah, and then the PC wakes up and goes to work. Nah, so the PC reopens notes and wants to continue working. Yeah, so there is history here. Yeah, when you close the program and when you open the program again, uh, the data is still displayed. Yeah, not gone like before in memory card. Now, how do we do that? Today we are discuss about this. Now, understanding the need to use the text files, learn the various attributes for accessing a text file, and then the last one, program your own system program data storage in a text file. Okay. Okay, let's go to the basic working with text file, yeah. Now, let's look at storing data in the text file. Now, usually the text file format end with .txt. TXT. Do you ever seen this
I don't think so.
uh, uh, when you type
Oh,
like
yeah, yeah.
document in Word? Have you ever used Word, Excel,
Yeah, yeah.
PowerPoint?
I think I know. I see.
Nah, the last name maybe your maybe assignment. like this. Nah, the last name will display the doc like this, right or no?
Yes.
Nah, and then when you create slides, yeah, presentation, the name will be end with PPT X sometimes like this, right? And for Excel, XL, SXM, right?
Yes.
Nah, when you create a notepad like this, yeah, just notepad, just type something, yeah, it will end .txt. Nah, a standard program for working with txt, like Notepad for Windows, text editor, etc. Nah, okay. Nah, how does the program access such a file to save data? Nah, the program wants to save data in the file. Okay. Nah, the program creates a txt file in the project folder. The program records data in the file, and the last one, the program save and close the file. Yeah, this section about interaction between the program and text file. Nah, okay, Python has special function for opening, reading, and writing data, and closing the file. Yeah. Okay. Now there is a three branch here. Yeah, as you can see, accessing the data files. Now, the first one, when you want to open the file to read data, yeah, and then open the file to record data, and then open the file to append. Yeah, it's different, Aurora. Yeah, it's different. Record the data, and append. So, record data means like uh, when you type and then uh, the new one, yeah, open the file to record data. The program can write new data. The key is this, yeah, new data. Yeah. Now, the old contents, yeah, it must be attention, yeah. The old contents are deleted, yeah, for this section. Now, but in this section, the program can write data in the file by adding new strings after existing ones, yeah, based on append, yeah, append. So we will add new strings after the old one. Now it's different with the first one, yeah. Just open the file to read data. Okay. Nah, okay. Using different access attributes, you can open files for a specific purpose, yeah. When you want to open file for reading, you can use open and then the file name. And then the last one, you need to type R for read the notes, yeah, the txt file, I mean. Now, when you want to open file for recording, yeah, now it must be attention, need to be attention, yeah. All content is deleted, yeah. So you cannot access the history of the file before. You can use W, yeah. And then when you want to append the strings, you can use A, yeah, for appending. Okay, just three letters, yeah, R, W, A for the basics, yeah. Now, the file must be in the same folder as the program, yeah. The file must be in the same folder as the program. Now, when you want to opening a file folder, just type with open and then the file name and then the letters, yeah, or W or A, yeah, or just for reading, yeah, reading the data. Now, and then to read the data, file.read, and then reading file data result is a row set, yeah, lines for row set and data, all the text inside the file. Nah, file.read lines. Close file when finished. The file closes automatically after the end of the with block. Yeah. So when it's done here, it will automatically close. Yeah. Now, here's the example. We have fast program.py with open poem.txt or encoding UTF-8. It's like a code, yeah. So when you want to run your code to another devices, like maybe you use Mac OS or your friend's laptop, yeah. Uh, it can be also reading, yeah, in the other devices. Okay, so we can add encoding UTF-8, yeah, as file. Data equals file dot read one print data and so on, yeah. Nah, here's the outcome. Print data, yeah. Okay, yeah. Nah, the first character was read and printed separately. The rest were read together after it. Nah, and then the second one, W. Yeah, W for creating a new one. Yeah, the old file will be deleted. Nah, recording data in the file.write information. Yeah, so in notes.txt, yeah, inside notes.txt, there's only text, uh, write information, just like that. Nah, okay, recording data with open poem.txt, W encoding, file.write, E Dickinson with open poem.txt, poem R, yeah, for reading data. Okay. Nah, okay, the first data, yeah, when you want to read the data, yeah, and then when you run this data, yeah, this code, because we use W, the data will update it like this, yeah, just E Dickinson. The old file will be gone. Yeah, got it, Aurora? So,
Yes.
now you just open the file, and then when you run this code, yeah, because we use W, the old file will be gone before and after. Backslash n for like a new line, enter, something like that. Yeah, A Dickinson. Nah, but where's the poem? Yeah, when you open the file for recording, the poem is erased. Yeah, because we use W. Uh, to add data, uh, to accessing data, you need to correct access attribute. You can use A for append. Yeah. Nah, so when you use A, the E Dickinson will be append at the end of your text like this. Understand with the difference between W and A?
Mm, yes.
Nah, yeah. Okay, that's for today. You can use Algo VS Code, complete files, the basic here. If you have any difficult, use the level hints. Okay, just like that. Nah, the problem of different encodings, yeah. For this purpose, when we're working with file, you need to add parameter encoding UTF-8 to avoid such confusion in characters. We will set the project file to UTF-8. In this case, text file will be read in the same way on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Nah,
What is
so,
UTF-8?
mm, ya, nah ini encoding
Mm,
the encoding ya.
what's encoding?
Encoding like when you have code in Windows, and then when you run the code in different operating system like Mac OS or Android and so on. Nah, we avoid that to avoid such confusion. confusion. Maybe when you run your code without UTF-8 on your PC, yeah, Windows. Maybe when you run your code on another devices, the another devices cannot read your data, cannot read your files, like that. Confused? So it's
No.
just for avoid, yeah, just for avoid to avoid confusion. Yeah. Just like encoding when it's okay. Data actually uh T T T. It's converted by a system like uh bit code like 01000110 like that. Nah, each 00110001 on your Windows. When you want to run it to Mac OS, yeah, Mac OS, we need to make it understand. Yeah. So like a language, Aurora, it's just for language. When like a people like uh, we are talking using English, right?
Yeah.
Maybe like let's ask Windows, and then the other people they don't understand English, they just understand Chinese. That's we use UTF-8 to standardize, making standard. So we can talk with another people that talking using Chinese like that. Yeah, the encoding.
Mm.
I think you didn't get it, right? It's hard to
Yes.
explain. Yeah, just like that. Okay. Anything else?
No.
Okay. Just the task. Yeah. Wait. Okay, just ignore about it. Wait. Okay, now your turn to share your screen.
Wait. Okay.
Mm-mm. Okay. New visual, yeah.
Mm.
Nah,
Okay.
yeah.
Oh.
Okay, please wait. Why the picture doesn't display correctly, yeah? Can you try to go back again and mm-mm. Ah, the program should with the contents of the codes txt. Okay. After reading it, there's a problem with the picture. Wait. Okay. Same as usual, Aura. Yeah. Just I will
Okay.
do annotate. Yeah, on the screen.
Mm-mm.
You just type it.
Okay.
Wait. Hold on. Mm, okay. Just type it, Aura.
Ah. Hmm.
Wait.
Hmm. Kenapa? Hmm. Hmm. Oh, encoding dengan Nah,
Mm, wait. What do you want to print here?
what? Oh, one.
Only print. Okay, try to run your code.
Apa ini?
Hmm, there is no file. Okay, let's check it out first. Can you go here?
Hmm, this
Yeah, quotes txt ya, not txr.
mana?
Okay, nah,
Hmm.
okay. There's an input here. Please go down. Nah, who wrote these lines? Try to input anything.
Where?
Yeah, who
Me.
named them? Okay. Want
Yes.
to add another quote? Enter an author.
Henry.
Who is Henry?
I don't know.
Enter an author.
What? What? What author?
Name.
Who?
Up to you.
Oh, wait, like an actual author.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. What? Okay.
Okay. The last one, yeah. After this, please answer no.
No.
Uh, TXT ya. TXT.
Mana kok T? Oh iya. Eh,
Hendrik me. Okay. Try to reset your TXT. Uh, mm, from number 4 until the end, please delete it. And then, okay. Save it. Done.
wrong.
Okay. Please go to the quotes prop again. Okay. Try to run again.
Um, uh, William.
Okay.
No.
Uh, only H like this. Okay. Please check quotes.txt Aurora. There's an error, yeah. Okay. Can you go to the right so I can read the error? Okay. Next. Okay. Can you go back to your code and I will check it first? Mm-hmm. Wait, I will check it first. With open quotes, for line in file, print line, author, who wrote this line with open quotes, txt, encoding a favorite author, while true answer input, but to add another quote, yes. If answer yes, input enter a code. Yeah, forgot to put. Mm, okay, I got the error. Yeah, forgot to put this line. Quote equal
Well,
quote
where?
before author. Huh?
Author.
There's no author.
I don't know.
Ah, please check these two lines.
Oh, oh, hmm, there.
Enter an author. Please check the
Oh,
mm,
oh, oh,
okay. Open quotes, txt, a encoding, right? Code, author, yeah. Now close as bleak, okay. Wait, the next line. Code txtr encoding f8 as file for line in file, print line. Okay. Please check your codes.txt again, Aurora. Okay. Try to delete line 4 to 7.
what?
Delete line number 4 to 7. Nah, okay, save it. Done. If you're done, you can go back to codes prompt and then run your code again.
What?
Yeah. Nah, run again. Nah,
Mm,
who wrote these lines?
you.
You. Okay. Yes. Enter
Enter
a
a code.
quotes.
What? Enter a code.
Up to you. Up to you. What's a quote there?
Mhm. Uh, Um, wait.
Keep smiling.
Wait. Hold on. A code. Um, okay. Wait. Uh, um, okay. Yeah.
Enter an author, the
You.
name. Okay. When to
Oh,
add another. Okay. Nah. Okay. Either you run today, there's me here. Okay, please check the txt,
not.
the
No.
txt file, the text file. The uh the first question about asking who wrote this line, right? You answer. Your answer is you, right?
Yeah.
But the you is not storing.
Mm.
Okay. Can we check again here? It must be you here. After to strive, to seek, to find, it must be you here. Okay, please check your code again, Aurora.
Where?
Wait, I will check it first. Who wrote these lines with open quote? Quotes.
What?
Quote. Quotes.
Oh.
using
Oh,
as. Okay, try again and erase your before data. Eh, Starting now. Also number five. Oh, wait. Also delete number five. No, enter once. Nah, okay. Please save it.
mm, Jim, me. Yes. Oh, oh, smile. Henry. No.
Nah, okay. The before data, the before inside post.txt only make wait by time to step to six, to find, and then blank line. Yeah. Okay. Nah, please go back to your code. I will explain it a little bit, yeah, because time almost up. Wait. Nah, the first line, quotes R. So remember what R is? What is R?
Yeah,
What is R?
reading.
Read the data. So, uh, print line. What is line? Line
Uh,
is line in file. What is file? File means quotes.txt. Okay.
yes.
Nah. So we will print line by line. Yeah. Print to display the file inside quotes.txt. And then input as usual. Yeah. We have learned about this at the beginning. Yeah. In Python.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. With open A. What is A?
A is to not delete but to add.
Yeah. Append. Yeah. Add a new string. Not to
Yeah.
delete. Yeah. Nah. Okay. File. Right. Author. Author. You type Jimmy for the first time. Yeah. What is backslash n? Backslash n like to enter. Yeah. On your quotes.txt. So far understand?
Yeah.
Nah, okay. Nah, so when it's different when you use A, sorry, W. When you use W, the text before will be deleted, yeah? So only Jimmy display, only Jimmy
Okay.
show when you use W. Nah, we looping here, input as usual, yeah? I think you understand about that. Answer lower, what is lower? What is
Lower
lower?
a case
Okay.
for lowercase.
Lowercase. Nah, nah. If your answer is yes, nah, the program will ask you about the code and author. Yeah, request the code and author, and after that, open quotes.txt A again to append. Yeah, the file before. Yeah, append strings. Nah, and then after that, we write quote backslash n author backslash n. Nah, quote backslash n author backslash n. Nah, but if you answer uh, this line with uh, something but not yes, yeah, maybe no or something else, only blank space or something else, yeah, it will break the code, yeah, break the while loop, and then we go to line 20. We open the file again, yeah, using R to read the data, yeah, to read file. And then just repeat again, same as before. This one. Okay, so far enough.
Yeah.
Or any question?
No.
No ya, oke. Kalau gitu ya, if so, I will stop my share screen. Ya, oke, Aurora, I think enough for lesson today. Nah, we will go to discuss again about modify text file on the next lessons ya. As usual, Wednesday at 7 o'clock p.m. Okay ya. Okay. If so, I will stop the lesson. Thank you, Aurora, for today. See you next lesson and bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Okay, Aurora.